Alright, so I'm checking out this unit, 5 years old, just here to do a maintenance, and this is what I find. I love it when they don't get that TXV tight. I'm going to let it run with it loose just to see where the charge is first, and then we'll tighten it up and see where it is from there. It doesn't actually look like we're doing too bad with the TXV bulb loose. 10 degrees of subcooling, which is a little bit over the target subcool, and 17 degrees of superheat. Go ahead and strap it in, tighten it up, and see how that changes things. Alright, so we got her tight. She's not moving. She's on the about 2 o'clock position. Get the insulation back over her and see how that changes things with a tight TXV. So we've got our subcooling at about 11.5 and superheat currently at 22. Running just under an 18 degree split with a 11 3/4 EER. Head pressure is a little shy of target, but doesn't look like our strap on the TXV bulb made much of a difference. I expected it to make a big difference.